Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Oh, shame guys, not Usamke ekhaleli indoda yakhe. Seeing him in that position, you guys. Now remember last week Umatsele decided that she is going to take Usamke to go and see her man. And that was very kind of her to do, to say the least, you guys. So in tonight's episode, we see Usamke going to see her man, you guys. Umusa did agree Utmatsele can come no Samke. But in her diary session, guys, Usamke is crying there and she's like, yes, ukumbona in that condition, kuyangithusa kakhulu. And I can't imagine, guys, I've been saying, just the thoughts of you and your guy going public, not the thought, yeah, maybe the thought of you and a person going public and you are finally excited ukuthi uzowaziwa in that way. And then umuntu vetana cool and like out of the blue, you guys, that thing is painful, you guys. I felt so sorry for her. Out of all the wives, seeing the husband in that position, I think it scares her the most, you guys. The other wives, abomatlelo aibo umayedli shames aganandaba je about that. Umatlele, yes, they all care, guys, but they've had their time with their men. I'm sure it has crossed their minds, Wuti. This man, you know, he might kick the bucket. I don't know, but Umbali did say, Wuti, like, it didn't cross her mind because Umusa never speaks about death like that. He always speaks about Wuti's gonna pass away later on in life and stuff like that. But for her, guys, her love is still fresh. The relationship, I don't know about the relationship being fresh because I don't know when they started dating. But I'm just saying I feel like for Usamke, it just hits differently. Man, just saying abangela ma side chick ukuthi side chicks were in this position. That's why some of them bekhala kangaka, guys. Ibuhlungu lento yokuthi hey, you and uguy wakho, you guys are cloud nine. Ngothando lwenu. And then all of a sudden this happens to the person. I'm not saying the wife don't feel that, but I'm just saying with Usamke, I just kind of felt when I saw her crying like that, my heart just kind of melted a little bit for her. Because we say, guys, and if it is indeed true that she has a child, or maybe by that time she didn't have a child, I don't know. It's just a scary thing to just think, you guys. But anyway, we'll see the whole episode playing out tonight. Oh, baby, why? Shame. Aibo Musa, don't do that. Like, please get strong. Please take care of your mental health or EBP because you've got a Samke to never mind Samke, guys. Why am I even saying Samke? What about children? He's got children to live for, you guys. I don't even know if I should say children to live for because Musa, in his mind, children are just to continue legacy, but I don't see him caring in that, not caring, but it seems like he's existing for his own things, for his own vision. Anyway, let's park it there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.